Hello students, welcome back to another poem of English, chapter 9, What If? Are there times when your mind fills with fear? Have you ever thought, what if something dangerous happened to me or the people around me? What if the world stopped revolving around the sun? What if the sun does not rise in the morning? Here is a poem which talks about some more such what if. What ifs mean that what would happen if this or that happens. This poem is written by Shel Silverstein in a child's voice and point of view. The poet's wild imagination shows that he is still a child and his way of thinking is very limited. Personifications is used to show the what ifs of the narrator as a small creatures that plants wild ideas into his head while he was asleep. The speaker is worried if he was dumb in school, if they had closed the swimming pool, if he got beaten up, if there was poison in his cup, if he started to cry, if he got sick and died, if he flunked the test, if green hair grew on his chest, if nobody liked him, if a bolt of lightning struck him, if he did not grow taller, if his head started getting smaller, if the fish would not bite, if the wind tore off his kite, if they started a war, if his parents got divorced, if the bus was late, if his teeth did not grow in straight, if he tore his pants, if he never learned to dance. Due to this, he starts thinking and worried about what might happen to him. Hence, he dislikes his imagination. In the night, he is free. Therefore, these fearful thoughts started coming in his mind. To get rid of such worries is he should involve their mind in creative work. ऐसे अवसर आते हैं जब भय और आशंकाएं हमें घेर लेती है और हम सोच में पड़ जाते हैं कि यदि कोई दुखदाई घटना हो गई तो क्या होगा। कवि ने इसी बात को लेकर ये कविता लिखी है। रात को लेखक के दिमाग में बहुत सारी दुखदाई स्थितियां उसे परेशान करती रहती है। उसे हैरानी है कि क्या परिणाम होगा यदि वो अपनी वाक शक्ति खो बैठे अथवा उसका स्कूल स्विमिंग पूल के इस्तेमाल पर पाबंदी लगा दे अथवा कोई व्यक्ति उसके धुलाई कर दे अथवा उसके प्याले में कोई जहर मिला दे। ये भी संभव है कि स्वयं बीमार पड़कर भगवान को प्यारा हो जाए अथवा वो परीक्षा में फेल हो जाए अथवा उसका कद बढ़ना थम जाए अथवा उस पर बिजली गिर जाए, उसके माता पिता का डिवोर्स हो जाए। अन्य ऐसी बुरी स्थितियां हैं कि ये पवन उसके पतंग को फाड़ दे अथवा विश्व में युद्ध छिड़ जाए अथवा उसके दांत टेढ़े मेढ़े उगे अथवा वो कभी भी नृत्य कला ना सीख पाए। जब वो अगले सुबह उठता है तो सब कुछ ठीक ठाक और सामान्य पाता है और अगले रात को फिर से वही दुखदाई स्थितियां उसे परेशान करता है। लेट्स रीड द पोएम। Last night while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear and pranced and partied all night long and sang their same old what if song. What if I am dumb in school? What if they have closed the swimming pool? What if I get beat up? What if there is poison in my cup? What if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? What if I flunk that test? So there are times when fears and doubts fill our minds and we begin to think, what if something unpleasant happens? The poet has written this poem about it. Last night I lay in bed thinking, I wonder what would happen if I am dumb in school? What if they don't let me enter the swimming pool and beat me? Maybe someone puts poison in my cup? Who knows, I might start crying, get sick and die. Am I going to fail the test? What if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? What if the wind tears up my kite? What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems swell, and then the night time what if strikes again. There can be other mishappenings. I may grow green hair on my chest and am disliked by all. I may be a victim of lighting. I may not grow taller and instead begin to grow smaller. The wind may tear my kite. There may be a war. My parents might get divorced. All such ideas go on increasing in number and I remain disturbed. So, students, the narrator is a child. His mind is sometimes filled with doubts and fears. At night, such unpleasant situations haunt him. When he wakes up next morning, everything looks fine and normal, but his fears return at night again.